Hi, my name is Harmil Thakur. I'm Vice President Sales and Marketing for Ambika Realcon Private Limited. We have two projects in Tri-City, Florence Park, which is at New Chandigarh, and La Parishan, which is at Mohali Airport Road. Right now we are at Florence Park, which is at New Chandigarh. New Chandigarh is a very well-planned area under Gamada, which is spread over 13,000 acres. Now Chandigarh is based on two major roads, which is Madhya Marg and Dakshin Marg. Both the roads are running into this area. Now this area has been designed in such a way, it's a low density area. So you won't have lots of concrete buildings coming up in this area. Plus what the government has done beautifully in this area is 50% area has been kept for open and green spaces. So you would have development which would be coming up just in 50% of the area. 300 plus acres of medical facilities are coming up, like Tata Memorial Cancer Hospital, which is almost on the verge of completion. You have Garewala Hospital, Max, then you have Chaitanya Hospital also, which would be coming up. So there are lots of medical facilities which would be coming up just in 300 plus acres. And PGI has also been allotted some land in this area. Then you have EduCity, which is coming up. EduCity is again, like the area has been planned in such a way, you would have lots of institutes and professional colleges coming up in this area. Cities like Pune and Bangalore came up as educational hubs. So this is the area. Again, the government has planned in such a way, you will have lots of educational and institutional facilities coming up in this area. Now everyone knows about PCA because of the International Cricket Stadium, Mohali. Now what is happening is International Stadium is being developed in this area, which is spread over 44 acres of land. So it has a sports facilities, sports academy as well as plus the stadium and separate parking lots. International Cricket Stadium is almost on the verge of completion in this area. The PCA Stadium is approximately in Mohali is approximately spread over 11 acres. Now in this pocket, it is being developed in 44 acres. So you have a separate sports academy which will be coming up, you have separate parking lots, and the stadium is almost on the verge of completion. So all international matches allotted in Punjab's quota would be happening out here. So this area would definitely come onto the international map because of the cricket facilities out here. Then the roads have been planned very beautifully. We are at the foothills of Shivalik, and if you look at the major benchmarks, Sector 17 is hardly 10 to 12 minutes drive from here. If you look at Baddi, which is hardly 15 to 18 minutes drive from here. And if you look at other places like anyone coming from Himachal or Punjab, places like Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, they can take the Kharar exit and can approach us. And this is very close to the physical or the social infrastructure of Chandigarh. High Court is close by, Punjab University, PGI is close by, and the Sukna Lake is close by. So this is an area which has been very well planned by the government of Punjab.
We are at Florence Park. This is a theme-based development which we are doing in New Chandigarh. This is inspired from Florence city, Italy. So if you look at what are the typical signatures of Roman architecture, if you look at these dome structures or carved pillars or landscaped gardens, these are typical signatures of a Roman architecture. So that's why we have named this project as Florence Park. Now this has been designed in such a way, coverage is only 18%. You are entering from out here, there are two entrances to the city. Once we enter, we straight away hit the basement. Basement is just not beneath the towers, it's beneath the green areas as well. So all your basement is interlinked. So what we have done is there is no scope of vehicular movement in the central green area. So all the vehicular movement is on the outer parameter road, which is spread throughout. And it has got visitor parking as well. So what we have done is we have taken all age groups into consideration. There are 4 different theme-based parks for the kids. Like we have got the Flying Fox, we have got the Fantasy World, we have got the Toddler's Corner and the Gulliver's World, which are spread throughout. We have got a tennis court which is around this corner. We have got a badminton court which is around here. Then what we have got is we have got an open gym which is around this corner. We have got yoga and meditation lawn which is out here. And then we have a park which is specifically designed keeping in mind the elderly. So this is called the Zen Park, which is around this corner. Now what we have done is you have a jogging and walking path which is all across the green areas. Then you have got gazebos
which are basically like you have set out areas in the parks so people can sit in the mornings and evenings and chit chat and socialize. Then we have got a club by the name of Club Iris. It has got a built up area of 15,000 square feet. It has got a restaurant, a banquet facility, it has got the health club, primary school and crèche, and then it has got other club facilities like the cards room, billiards room, and others. So what we have done is, keeping all these things in mind, we have designed the Florence Park. Now this is a green building concept. 30% of your rooftops would be used for solar panels, and these solar panels would generate electricity for common areas, green areas. We are using only LED lighting within the project, and there is rainwater harvesting. So these are certain norms for the green building which we are following out here. Now initially we started with these three towers by the name of Primrose. Primrose A, Primrose B and Primrose C. These towers are almost on the verge of completion, and the possessions would be handed over in 2 to 4 months time. It has got 2-bedroom apartment which is 1270 square feet. It has got a 3-bedroom apartment which is 1520 square feet, and it has got a 3-bedroom plus utility option which is 1690 square feet. Then we have got Orchid Towers which are out here, Orchid A and Orchid B. The front facing apartments are 4-bedroom plus servant option which is 2480 square feet, and the rear facing apartments are 2080 square feet which is a 3-bedroom plus servant option. It has got a reception area which acts as a security barrier, and in case you have guests or visitors and you're not at home or you don't want to bring everyone to your house, so it has got a small waiting lobby. So you can meet the people out there and you can finish your business and go back to your apartment. Now after these towers, we have already started construction for Aster, which is Aster A, Aster B and Aster C. They have also reached 4th floor, 5th floor and 6th floor in the various towers. In these towers, we have got two sizes. 3-bedroom plus utility, which is an 1800 square feet apartment. Then we have got a 3-bedroom plus servant option, which is 2020 square feet. Again, the concept is the same. These apartments are facing the Shivaliks. Now, we are facing the Shivaliks out here. So this is the northeast side as well and facing the Shivaliks as well, if you're looking at these apartments out here. Then we have got the iconic tower by the name of Petunia. This is a very exclusive apartment which has got a built-up area of 3450 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom plus servant option, but this is a fully loaded option with your air conditioning, home automation, your European modular kitchens, your bathroom fittings which are from Villeroy and Bosch. So this is a very exclusive property by the name of Petunia.